Hey guys, it's me, Kitty, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to Kitty's Beauty. And today you can see that I'm wearing this wig. Okay, I am wearing her 26 inch. Well, this is 28 inches. I better. I wanted 40, but I got with what I had. Y'all like it? Good, because I love it. Watch me put this wig on. Yeah? You want to see me do that? Well, good. Keep watching.
Alright, you guys. So, as you can see, I'm just putting on my wig cap, making sure it's gonna, fit. These are the utensils I'm using. So the spray I'm using is olive oil spray. It's a glue spray, and it's supposed to be good for using with wigs, but after this I won't be using it anymore. I'm spraying a whole bunch on here. Like, you don't be afraid to go in with this stuff because it will lift really easily. Like, the slightest thing could like make it lift. So go in heavy if you're going to be using this. Y'all, I don't know why my baby hairs are everywhere because I laid them down with ECO gel and they're like still all over the place. I don't know what I did wrong with this particular one. So I know my background is messy. I know there are clothes on the bed. Husband was washing and I was helping fold, and we were taking a break because we've been doing it for hours, and I was like, let me do this wig video real quick so I can get my day started and look good. Okay, now I'm using the olive oil. Like, it's supposed to help also lay down the wig, but it didn't really help. It didn't help, and I was upset. Like, if anything, it actually messed the application with the wig up. So if anything, I'm probably gonna have to either change up how I did it or just not be using these products anymore because it did not help with what I was trying to do. And I'm just gonna blow dry that, and you'll see what I mean. Like, it just wouldn't cooperate, and I don't know if it's because it's old or I didn't use a thin enough layer. I'm not sure. Y'all, look at that wig. Oh my goodness, this wig was so soft. The lace was, I think it was HD, and it has like 2 clips, well 3 in total, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. I'm just trying her on, making her fit, seeing what needs to be cut, and just getting a feel for the wig. There go Gizmo on the back. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, this is the foundation that I'm going to be using. It's a powder foundation. It's in mocha. This color, I should have went with like something that's closer to my skin tone, but it worked out in the end, so I'm okay with it. Yeah, I needed my glasses. So I am starting to cut the lace. These scissors were not the best, but it did feel good to cut the lace because it was like just squeezing on my eye area. I couldn't take it anymore. Now I'm going in with like a face razor, and this one's not a very good face razor, but it got the job done. So I got tired of cutting with this, and I was like, forget it. I'm gonna go get my brand new one that my best friend gave me. You see how much better this razor is compared to the other one? It's just gliding across my skin perfectly. So right here I'm just cleaning it up with a baby wipe because the spray on glue that I use isn't very strong, and a baby wipe is perfect for, you know, cleaning up. Now we're going to take that same foundation that I used on my head, and we're going to put it all over the lace cap. I didn't feel like I needed to bleach the knobs with this because it looked pretty natural already. I'm just doing this as an extra precaution to make it blend better with my head, even though I think it blends pretty well already. Now that the cap is nicely coated, I'm going to put it on my head, and we're going to start the application process. Okay, so now I'm applying that same olive oil lace glue, spray glue, onto my scalp for the application of the wig. Now that the wig is on my head the way I liked it, centered it, I'm going to take my elastic band and tie it around my head just to lay the lace down even better. Okay, now is the moment of truth. I'm using that face razor and I'm going in and cutting the lace. I don't want to talk too much during this part because, I mean, you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going around cutting the lace. I feel like if I need to say anything, then I'll, come back in. But this part, I mean, it's self-explanatory, so... Okay, so I'm back. Let's see how I did. Okay, I didn't do too bad, but like I said, I wish I would have used a lace glue rather than that spray on glue because as you see right here, I had to lay that lace back down. And this is really annoying, and I had to do this a couple of times. So I think next time I do a video like this, I'm going to be using lace glue. So I had to go back and lay her down, but this time I used my silk scarf rather than the elastic headband because my head was hurting, okay? Y'all, when I say I was so shook because never have I ever gotten my lace to look that flat, like so shook, but it's gonna come up. You'll see in the end. It's gonna come up anyway. I was so mad. Alright, so now I am working on my baby hairs. I am taking some hair that is on the side and I'm about to pluck it and cut it. Man, these baby hairs were so annoying, like so annoying. I had to keep going back in and fixing them and redoing them because I just didn't like the way I had. Alright, so my camera died and I decided to go on with my phone. You see them baby hairs? They are laid. Okay, they are laid. Alright, so now I'm about to pluck my part to make it look more natural. And there I plucked quite a bit because you can see there'll be a lot of hair. Now I'm going in with a concealer to make the part look more realistic. Now we're going to do the same thing for the middle part. Pluck it, put concealer on it to make it look realistic, and it's going to look so cute, y'all.
my gosh, y'all. I am loving this wig. Sorry. I am loving this wig. It's lifting a little bit, but that's my fault because I didn't put enough glue. And I didn't let it lay down long enough. I just was kind of like wanting to see what it looked like, and I was in a rush. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so fun. I even did my little baby hairs. I'm getting better with the baby hairs, y'all, okay? Oh my goodness. It looks so freaking good. When I have more time, I want to go through the wig and like pluck more. Like, but oh my god. Let me put some makeup on. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. Oh my god. This hair is living for me, okay? Y'all, like, I'm trying something new with my lipsticks, like just the black. Like, I'm giving like a Shigo look, you know? Kind of funny because it reminds me of a mustache. Anyway, I'm totally in love with this hair. It's just everything for me. Like I'm kind of sad that my laces kind of came up at the end, but all in all, it's a really good wig. Next time I'm gonna put like lace glue instead of like a spray-on glue, because I see the spray-on glue doesn't stick very well. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys coming like always. If you're not subscribed, please do. And if you are, put them notifications on, put that bell on. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.